Chapter 3, Numbers in Indian and International Systems with Comparison. Starting from unit. What do you mean by unit? In mathematics, a unit means a single thing. Single thing means what? A pen, a boy, a meter, a day. Okay. So a unit is the first and the lowest natural number as a standard of measurement. Then the number written before the name of unit indicates how many times that particular unit is taken. For example, 3 meter, as it is given here, that means 3 times meter is taken. Meter is the unit here and that is taken actually 3 times. 25 kg, kg is unit here, okay, that you will study in physics, and that is taken 25 times. 5 liter, liter is unit here, okay, and that is taken 5 times. Clear? Then next is numeral and numeration. Numeral is symbol representing a given number. That means number and numeral both are same. 3 is a number as well as numeral. Okay. Then what is numeration? Numeration represents the given number in words. For example, 56. So you can write this as 56. Clear? 3 is given here, so it is 3. 15, so write 15. 72. Number and numeral both are same, digits. But numeration is something different, which we will write in words. That is 72. 0, 0, number and numeral both same, and numeration it is 0. Okay. So numeration means what we are writing in words is known as numeration. Then next is Hindu-Arabic, that is Indian system of numeration. Now the first question arises here, then why it is name given Hindu-Arabic? Okay. So the Indian system of numeration is in fact the decimal system, which is adopted from the ancient times. Okay. Then used over the world. The system was developed by ancient Hindu mathematicians, and later it was carried to the west by Arabs. Okay, later it was carried to the west by the Arabs. So that's why, due to this reason, it is called Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Okay, then in Indian number system, you know that we are using digits 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in this, these are numeral as well as number. So total 10 we are having here, total 10. Okay, so out of this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are considered as even numbers. That is important. Okay, you should know even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odd numbers. Okay, for example 56, in the last 6 is given and 6 is an even number. So due to this reason 56 will be an even number. 31, 1 is an odd number. So due to this reason 31 is an odd number. Okay, so remember 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odd. Okay, then next is Indo-Arabic system of numeration. Or we can write large quantities with ease in groups. We are having certain periods, okay, and periods are just like which converts the number as per place. Okay, you know well about ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, okay, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. So these are your system in which this is considered as periods. Okay, this is considered as periods. Okay, I will explain in a table now.